I'm absolutely thrilled to see you all here at AlphaSummit, our very first customer conference.
2 days of ideas and innovation and insight. Together, this room is the future of global business, gathered in one place at one time, ready to connect, ready to collaborate, ready to drive change.
We had some big announcements on this main stage, but the announcements didn't just sound loud in this room, they went out across the world.
That is what makes AlphaSummit different. It's not just what happens on this stage. It's the community that we're building together.
This is still just the beginning. Let's go build this together.